Welcome back to the Wildfire video tutorial series. In this segment, we will discuss an important topic for website managers: copyright. Let's get started. Copyright means that the creator of an original work has full control over their creation, their product. The creator, who is the copyright holder, is the only one with the legal right to control the way in which the product is used. In fact, every product that goes onto a website has a copyright holder. Some examples of products are audio files, videos, images, apps, or texts. Before we put any product on our website, we first need permission from the copyright holder. If a copyright holder refuses to give permission, we are not allowed to use the product on our website. How can you tell if a product is copyrighted? It always is. International law says that copyright is in force as soon as a product is created. The creator doesn't need to do anything to copyright a product. If the product is created by an employee of an organization, the organization that manages the work normally holds the copyright to the product. How can you tell who owns the copyright? There are many ways for the copyright holder of a product to inform others of their claim on that product. The standard copyright statement provides the following items: the word copyright, the copyright symbol, which is the letter C inside a circle, the date of first publication of the product, the name of the copyright holder. The copyright statement shown here tells us that Internet Publishing Service is the copyright holder and that this product was first published in 2019. This statement asserts ownership and control of rights. A copyright statement does not provide any permission for sharing or distributing the product. By the way, if you are the copyright holder of a product and want to be sure you have clearly claimed copyright, please ask your implementation manager for help. What if you have problems getting permission to publish the product? Sometimes this is hard. The creator of the product might be unwilling to have their name published, or might want to be paid for the use of their product, or might not want it to be used elsewhere, or they might be unknown or unavailable. Maybe they have passed away. Do what you can to find the copyright holder. If you cannot find the copyright holder, let us know. We understand that problems arise and we can give you advice. How can you document permission to publish copyrighted materials? If you have just a few products or items, we suggest that you use a permission form, like the one we can provide you. Other forms of agreement are acceptable, such as through text message or email, but make sure the agreement allows you to copy, distribute, or transmit the product on websites. Who keeps track of the copyright permissions on your website? We are involved with copyright permission on many products. For these products, we will assist in obtaining permission from the copyright holder and will keep track of them. As the website manager, you keep track of copyright permission on other products, which are normally produced in the country or language community. We can advise on obtaining permission from the copyright holder for these items. What kind of acknowledgments are needed? As the website manager, you are responsible for ensuring that copyright information is displayed for all products on the site. It is normal and ideal to identify the copyright holder for each product on the website. You can do this in several ways. It could be a statement at the bottom of the website page where the item appears. It could be a statement in the video or text itself. It could be a statement on the Contact and Copyright page of the website. In some cases, the copyright holder does not want their name on the website. You could say something like this: all materials used with permission of the copyright holder. You still need a permission document from that person, but the information will remain private. In some cases, you may not be able to find or identify the copyright holder. In that case, you can put a statement to that effect on the Contact and Copyright page. If a product carries no information concerning copyright and permission for use, it becomes open to being misused. When we acknowledge the copyright holder, the website visitor then has the necessary information to use the product legally. This has been an introduction to copyrights. It is a complicated area and you may have questions. If you do, please contact your implementation manager. This is the end of this segment of the Wildfire video tutorial series.